Yo, travel vlog starts today. Look at this. The garage is like super foggy. No idea why. Weirdness. So today's travel vlog definitely started off weird because for some reason my groin area lit up on the TSA security x-ray check thing. So I got a thorough pat down. Yo, this man shows up like literally 7 minutes left before they close the doors. Look who it is!
It's Elvis.
Where have you been? You were like, I'm in the lot. And I'm like, oh, so you'll be here soon. But that was like an hour and a half ago. And then you're like, I'm getting gas. And I'm like, what is he doing? So, I have the best car rental deal ever because I'm USAA member, so I always get fantastic deals. But of course this man over here wants to see all the fancy cars, which is not in the budget to say, but I didn't know you could rent a Bentley, Mercedes, Corvette, Porsche. Maybe one day we'll do it. Just one day. A little treat. So I was just telling Elvis here that this car right here, red Camaro, is like a West Coast road trip kind of car. And then the guy goes, yeah, for $10 you can get it. And I was like, oh, wow.
It's crazy right now.
Yo, it's a push to start and everything. Look at this fancy. Okay, wait. He said push. Oh, man, what did he say to push? He said to push. Oh, shoot. What did he say to push? Do it? Do it? No. For the. Dang it, there's too many buttons. Okay, we found it. Look at the back. Look at the back. It's going.
Look at that. Wait, am I going the wrong way? I'm going the wrong way. Hold on. Yeah, you're going the wrong way. What are you doing, Luke? Come on. Let's just show this to the people. Let's show this to the world. Look at that beauty.
Oh, that's a good $10 spend.
Oh my.
So once again, just to clarify, this is our beautiful car. We're going to check out more beautiful cars at Range Rover and Jaguar of Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, so
Look at the back of that thing.
like my dad has been doing this for more than 20.
Yo, I had no idea what I was getting into today. I'm about to drive that thing. Oh my gosh. Bye! Bye! Off to the next car.
Okay, standard. And let's go.
Oh man, Elvis. Stop number 2, Subaru. Let me tell you, STR, this thing, affordable, but also nice. Stop number 3, Mercedes. Look at that thing. Yo, can we drive that? Can we drive that? Can we drive that? I want to drive that over there.
Oh my god. It's an AMG GTR.
Welcome in. Oh, jeez. Look at like the wood finish. I just love wood. Look at that. Alright, this is our next drive. Yo, ready? You want to change the radio? Look at that. Volume.
No, but
Yo.
So
Wait for it.
yeah. Start recording.
Yeah, I got it.
And
That is beautiful. Oh my god. And in case you need a little help parking your car, you get an aerial view. That's awesome. You can't mess this
Got
up,
it?
Elvis. If you mess this up.
I'll mess it up.
Next stop, Cadillac, BMW. Where's the BMW sign? I don't know. But look at this. I want that for a road trip. My new road trip vehicle. I wonder what the price tag on that thing is. So quick little thing. Stand there, Elvis. Elvis is 6'8", okay? This man's a giant. Look at how big this car is. He is like normal, like, I don't know. Like, this car looks like a freaking boat. You look at that. It's ridiculous. Oh, Rolls Royce. Like, they literally have all the nicest cars here. Rolls Royce. Fastest car last year, right? Something like that. This is beautiful. AMG. McLaren. What does that run, Elvis? How much does that cost? Ferrari. Dang. I really like cream. White cream. 314 ayos. Look at the red interior. That is awesome.
Nice. Nice Alcantara.
Oh man.
This is a 488.
White with red interior. That's where it's at. Check out this purple car. I like that. That's funny. I don't know if I would own that, but it's interesting. This is cool.
Like a guy like him.
It's good for a family. Look at that.
Hey.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, Elvis, tell us one more time. This car, $3.7 million. It's a V what? A V, say it again?
okay, so it's a B16.
16! Cars usually are 4, 6, or 8. This is 16. How many horsepower?
Oh, 1500.
Dang, 1500.
And also, like,
It's 1,500. It's like 3 times your normal powerful car.
So I'm gonna
Look at the front of this Bentley. Look at these. It's like a piece of art. It's a headlight, but it's a piece of art. Even those other cars were nice, like this is my baby right here. BMW M3. I love this car so much. I'm gonna drive this M3. This thing is mad awesome. It beats the C43. I thought like the C43 totally beat the F Type, but this is even better. Look at that. You really feel it. Woo-wee. Welcome to Miami. I'll tell you, this car is beautiful. That's amazing. The newest one. Look at the color of those seats. Oh.
Una cosa exagerada. Que ellos lo hacen por vacilar. Hay un
What's up, Elvis? Woo! Miami! Woohoo! American Airlines! Woo-wee! These are crazy cars. Look. Welcome to the collection. Oh yeah, he just opened the door. Woo. look.
So y'all like associate like
This place is crazy expensive cars. Because they're crazy expensive cars, that means we get to valet our car. And since our car's Camaro, we don't look like complete and total losers. I've never had a fancy car to valet before, but there it is. Woo! Alright, so at this stop we are going to try an Audi A6. This is the 2019 model. Beautiful. Look at all the LCD screens. 1, 2, 3. Look at the color. This is like leather inside and out, they say. So it's like if you were to cut into it, you'd find brown leather inside. It is beautiful. Sunroof and everything. And it's only like 80 grand, which I think is pretty reasonable. I mean, yeah. Oh, look at all of them. Oh, look at the spoiler on that thing. Oh. That's cool. That is awesome. Look, not just one McLaren, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reminds me of Gone in 60 Seconds, the movie. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, ready? This is the 2019. Ready for this? Oh, the lights. Look at all those displays. 1, 2, 3.
what a true car looks
like. It feels really good, yeah. And it feels really good sitting in it.
Audi for 2 years.
It is interesting, but is it something about rain?
Babies that actually spit fire, spit flames.
Oh, yeah.
If they didn't have the coating, the wind would just turn on fire.
Look at this, man. Look at that door. Welcome to Bayside, where you get all your shopping done, you buy your souvenirs, and you, I don't know, just spend money. Welcome to Wynwood at night. The Fiesta. Look at the chandelier, though. It's giant. I mean, it's such a different vibe at night. Nope, that's a guy on a bike. Look at the guy on the bike. Woo-wee. And that's how you end the night. Look at that dude. Look at him. Woo! Gangsta. Hey, red light, red light, red light, red light, Elvis, okay? Go, 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 go! Look, that's where we going. Floor 14. And this is where the adventures will end. On floor 15 of Miami. The really picturesque stuff is around the corner, so unfortunately we can't see it, but awesome.